Hey everybody, I'm elcheapomagneto, and welcome to Rebuild 3 Gangs of Deadsville. I will be doing the story mode, because a lot of the gameplay is just the same. Yeah, so I'll just do a quick play. I'll turn on the music, just because I can. Alright, so let's make our main character. Elcheapomagneto, yay. That looks about right. No. Some of these models are goofy looking. Oh my god. I hope I spelled that right. Be right back really quick. Yes. Alright. Need to get him an appropriate thing. Oh hey, it's a Jacksepticeye shirt, by the way. What? No! Alright, so minus the hard hat, we got Dale Gribble here. I don't know how big Arlen is. Where's this line? One faction, yeah. Let's go impossible. Alright, so now we get to... let's see if I forget. Equip, here we go. There. Done. Let's go to, he's the engineer, so he'll need that. No, look, buddy, I'm an engineer. Alright, so let's scan out places. Let's see. First off, I'm going to want that school. And we can take this church. So, what our goal is we want to try to, get to a corner first, and then work our way expanding, so that we won't get attacked in the back and all that. And let's... Ooh, it's a little bit dangerous to scavenge for you. Why don't you two take that? And let's just put it to next day, just to make things go faster. We need a scavenger to get the extra effect of the farm boost there. Let's just have you scout this. Oh hey, looks like the corners, or up here is Cornersville. Dang. Ah! Oh shit, we need food. Alright, so you scavenge. Uh-oh. There, just leave that to defense. Heal everybody just because we can. Hey, it's Gustav! That guy's a traitor. We're actually doing really good. I'm surprised. Simply because that should have been taken over. Alright, let's, I don't want to hunt. We'll turn this into something else. Let's turn it into farmland. Because Lord knows we need all the food we can get. I plan to have more soldiers, so while we have increased defense, happiness is going to go down. But not to worry, I'll make people soldiers yet. I thought I had the school. Or maybe I did. No, I never even claimed... That's not a school, that's a firehouse. Duh. Alright. Oops, no, not defend. We don't need to defend rubble. So, if I am desperate for materials, I will have to, like, destroy some sort of building. If I can't get anything from Gustav over here. Actually, I wonder. Trade. Yes, we got materials. Okay, well, 37, huh? Where'd I get a top hat? Ooh. Yeah, whatever. Trade. I need the materials. I didn't know I had all this equipment. Dale is an unhappy person. But you know what? He's got a... He's got a bat and a crowbar. Fuck yeah. Defend, my friends! Defend with everything that you have. We need a hospital. We found a little hobo. It's such a cute doggy. Hey, we're making food now. Thank goodness. Oh man, we're getting swarmed left and right. Maybe we should have had more factions thrown in here. You popped up there, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yay! Fine. It's no big loss. We got this still. We can do this! Everything else defending. Mark was killed. Oh shit. 3 survivors. Aww. I hate that. I have to turn her away. What did we lose? That's fine. We don't need the church. We'll be fine without a church. Well, hopefully recovery won't take as long. Oh no. Now there's a banshee. It's gonna destroy our happiness. This is just an injury. Increase rations. Because eventually I'll be able to make it so we're getting much more food than normal. Unless that happens. So if there's only 2 survivors left, or if there's only 2 parts of land left, we will lose. I think this is it, you guys. Attack. We'll just try to take them all out. I don't know what that deal is all about. Frickin' roamers. I forgot about them. It's been a long time since I played this. Roamers attack people in the middle of whatever they're doing and can either kill them or injure them. Fucking roamers. I'll deal with you. Bury his remains. We don't need to eat that. it's game over. We only got 2 survivors. Well, yeah, that sucks. The other modes are anything below impossible is just pretty much too easy. Yeah. Anyway, so that's Rebuild 3, Gangs of Deadsville. It's a game. I kind of find it to be a little bit easier than the other 2, but yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. Any sight? What's with those things? What is this thing for, like foosball? Are these things life